Hey feds, so I just had an unfortunate thing happen. I was doing all these recordings of questions that were asked in our workshops and I was giving the answers. I recorded probably 10 of these. And then I suddenly realized I was on mute the entire time. I had done all this work to bring you all these great questions. And yes, I'm gonna redo them, but oh my goodness, I just wasted so much time. And I thought, you know what? That's a good lesson for retirement. Because how many times do we do something and it actually doesn't get us anywhere in our retirement? For example, we do something in the TSP, but it actually didn't really help that much. Or I've seen people try to do overtime to bump up their high 3 and then realize that the overtime doesn't count toward the high 3. Or we try to do something, but it really doesn't help. That is why not only do you need to learn about your benefits and what to do and how it all works, but also make sure you're doing it right. Because we could accidentally do the right thing in the wrong way and it won't help. So you've got to come to our workshops, got to learn not only what to do, but really have someone back there saying, yep, you're doing it right. I can hear your audio. You're doing great. Just keep going. You know, on a webinar, it's really easy. Can you hear me? No, I can take myself off mute and I'm good. But on a video, it's not as easy. You have to watch it over again, right? Same thing with your retirement. Let's make sure that you're not only doing the right things, but doing it in the right way.